raise our hands and welcome the summer, immersing ourselves in the vibe. For a brief moment, we all escape our daily lives. We're embarking on a journey that frees our mind. And as we light up the night sky, our heads find a home in this shared experience. The monotony of daily grind fades away for the next 12 hours, replaced by the flickering streetlights and our dancing shadows. Tonight we become one. From dawn till dusk, shredding the constraints imposed by others. So in this urban jungle, we reclaim our freedom through rhythm and dance. Memories are forged and friendships sparkle as we come alive in the summer symphony. Enchanted by the city spell, our feet and minds move in sync, driven by the beat to the very edge. So as the final notes fade and the lights glow softly, we step into the night where new journeys await. But as always, the dread of normality returns for us as we all pass the morning workers beneath the same sky. Ending our night and their day begins. Back to the reality. A dog, 2 kids and a wife. They remain unaware of what the night has delivered. In the quiet of dawn, with the sunrise, we carry the echoes of music, time and love. Once again, our heads have found a home, shaped by this night's adventures. Our heads have found a home.